What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you whether or not it is worth it to overwinter your pepper plants. So here I have a shishito that I grew from seed and a jalapeno that I overwintered. Now the short answer for me and you would be no, it's not really worth it unless there are some pros to it. So first, you don't have to start anything from seed if you go and decide and grow, keep it over the winter. But you do have to, have a place to put it. You can see where I had cut it back for the first year, right back here, where the thicker part of this trunk is. And you can see how much it's grown. It's a pretty nice sized pepper. It's going to produce quite a bit for me. I don't think it's going to produce quite as much as it did last year, but that is just my opinion. But I do think last year's did produce a bit more on its first year, so you might have a slightly reduced harvest. But the pros is, if you can't find a certain pepper, maybe you bought it from the grocery store or whatever, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, and you want to keep that, and you can't buy like the seeds and whatnot, then yeah, by all means, overwinter your pepper. If you live in a long growing season climate, like maybe you're in like zone 10 B area-ish, you can just go ahead and cut these back and leave your peppers in the ground year-round, and they will, thrive. They'll thrive. They'll go dormant, but that would be the only reason why I would ever overwinter a pepper again. Up here in zone 6B, 7A, it's pretty cold in the winter. I really don't have a place to put it besides in the garage, and it's pretty close to freezing. And even in the summer, here, just comparing these two similar types of peppers, I think this shishito will end up having more peppers than this jalapeno here, simply because of the size and the vigor of this 1-year-old plant compared to this 2-year-old plant. So all in all, I think there are benefits to overwintering your peppers, but from now on, I think I will be doing just growing them from seed every year, and then, just throwing them away at the end of the season. Because peppers are perennials, but I'm not seeing the ultra benefits for me, at least for me, and I'm just sharing this to you so you can make your own decisions. Overwintering peppers for me doesn't seem like the best way to do it. So I hope you like this video. It's just another quick tip video on what I've experienced. If you like this, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on another video and any updates on these wonderful raised bed garden plants.